भाग के आए हैं।
कौन भाग के आया?
भाग हम
कहाँ
3
से?
जन।
कहाँ थे?
ट्विन हार्ट से।
ट्विन हार्ट में से भाग
ट्विन हार्ट से।
भाग भाग क्या है, एक स्क्रीन पे से दूसरे स्क्रीन तक। आजकल वही है। फ्रॉम फ्रॉम शावर टू ऑफिस इन 30 सेकेंड, आजकल मेरा वो भी होता है।
Oh
30
God.
सेकेंड, 30 सेकेंड कम्यूट।
सोनल मेहता कहाँ चली गई थी ना वो
वो भी
अभी तक?
वो भी थी, वो थी उधर, वो ट्विन हार्ट में। ओके।
Okay. Ay.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। नंद के दुलारे यशोदा के प्यारे, नंद के दुलारे यशोदा के प्यारे, गोविंद मुरारे गोविंद मुरारे दीनों के सहारे, गोविंद मुरारे दीनों के सहारे, नंद के दुलारे यशोदा के प्यारे, नंद के दुलारे यशोदा के प्यारे, रे सनी धनी रे ग म ध नि सानी द प म प ग म रे ग म ग रे सा
करुणा सागर करुणा सागर गिरधर नागर करुणा सागर गिरधर नागर मुरली मनोहर मुरली मनोहर पाहि मुरारे नंद के दुलारे यशोदा के प्यारे नंद के दुलारे यशोदा के प्यारे गोविंद मुरारे गोविंद मुरारे दीनों के सहारे गोविंद मुरारे दीनों के सहारे नंद के दुलारे यशोदा के प्यारे नंद के दुलारे यशोदा के प्यारे राम 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 सीताराम राम 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 सीताराम राम 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 जय जय राम जय सिया 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 राम जय राम जय सिया राम 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 जय जय राम जय सिया 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 राम जय जय राम सिया राम
Hello, everybody. Jai Gurudev. How are you?
Hello, Jai Gurudev.
जय गुरु
Namaste to everyone.
सुनते सुनते
नमस्ते।
ऐसा लगता है कि एक नॉट खुल रही है अंदर की
हाँ हाँ
खुलते जा रहा है खुलते जा रहा है खुलते ऐसा
खुलते जा
एक्सपांड
रहा
हो
है
रहा है
खुलते जा रहा है जैसे ये सलीमा का ये लोटस एक खिला हुआ लोटस एक है वो उसी तरह खिलते जा रहा है खिलते जा रहा है
Full fledged खिलता है, full fledged.
फुल फ्लेज खिलता है हेलो 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 कॉन्शियसनेस हेलो कॉन्शियसनेस कॉल्ड सोनल hello consciousness called Pratibha ji hello consciousness called Jennifer hello consciousness called Nilima hello consciousness called Sanjeev hello consciousness called Purushottam hello consciousness called Salima
सबके कॉन्शियसनेस को जगाने वाले आप है.
thank you तो और वो भी कॉन्शियसनेस ही है तो ये this is something I just sort of discovered by accident on Saturday. So I was very eager to share it today. So I was just taking a turn of my car. So imagine I'm in the gate coming out and I have to back out towards the right and then go straight. Back out like this and go straight. So there was a car. No, I had to back out and go right. So there was a car that had come and was waiting for me to finish my turn. So I backed out and I have to make a right past that car that was waiting, around that car. So as I was taking the turn, that car had come pretty close to my car. So I had to be very, very careful, in making that turn to make sure that I didn't touch that bumper of that car. And I didn't see the driver and I didn't see who was inside or anything, but my focus was just on that car as I was turning. And I was so conscious and aware of it, that car, that I said to myself, this thought came by itself that, oh, here is here is consciousness in the form of a white car. Consciousness in the form of a white car. And suddenly that just being careful not to touch the car became much more of a care. Instead of careful, I was caring. If you get the difference between careful and
yeah.
caring. I was not just careful about the car. I was caring for the car. Because I am seeing, oh, this is consciousness. It is so precious. It is so delicate. It is so beautiful. Nice and white, shiny bumper. I care for this consciousness, and out of my caring for that consciousness, I am taking that turn and making sure that I don't scratch it or hit it or something like that. So then as I kept driving, I just started rehearsing this thought. Oh, here is consciousness crossing the road in front of me. And here is consciousness, all these other cars. Here is consciousness blowing a horn. Here is consciousness in the form of a traffic light. Here is consciousness in the form of a policeman. Oh, here is consciousness in front of me, blocking my way. Here is consciousness giving me way. Here is consciousness in the form of a road. And I just, out that sort of mantra I found was so beautiful that I was naturally falling in love with each and everything. Instantly falling in love with everything that came in front of me.
Great.
What a wonderful experience. So, and if you ask yourself, is there anything in your life that you love more than this awareness that you are? Just ask yourself, is there anything more precious to you than this consciousness, this awareness? Is anything? And how much do you love this awareness? It is everything. You just love it. It is you. There is no difference between you and this consciousness. And you just feel this deep connect, not just connection. It is oneness. It is you. It is not just a connection with awareness. It is you. And if it is you, is there anything that you love more than you? Not in the like a selfish sense or a self-centered sense, but in this is me, this is my life, this is I love it. I love it more than anything else. Yeah, Sonalji, we are recording this, so since you got disconnected, you can hear it again, but you'll get gist of it anyway now also. The whole idea was everything. And then I was going to the gymkhana to play tennis. And so again, in the middle of the game, as the ball would come towards me, I would bring the thought to myself, oh, here comes consciousness in the form of this ball coming to play with me. And then play the shot. And the quality of the shot and the experience of the shot was so much more expanded and so like beautiful that, and naturally the game also flowed so like easily and flawlessly. And, I was usually by the second set or something, I'm kind of panting and sweating and like exhausted. I'm not exhausted, but tired. But yesterday I just played 3 sets and kept going for the 4th, and no tiredness, no sweat, no, just playing with the ball, playing with the racket. Here is consciousness. Here comes consciousness again. Oh, wow. Consciousness is coming so fast. Oh, it's spinning. and then hitting. So that awareness of the ball became an awareness of consciousness rather than just an awareness of the ball. So it was an awareness of being aware. So So what I want to share with you all, and you all can experiment with this now, that whatever shows up, just remind yourself, oh, here is consciousness in this form. Here is consciousness in this color. Here is consciousness in this shape. Here is consciousness in this sound. Here is consciousness in this experience. And when you know and remind yourself that, oh, this is consciousness showing up, then your entire relationship with whatever is showing up just shifts. And your response will shift, and your experience of that will shift. And just see how, things move in you, move in your life. So consciousness, of course, once on this happened on Saturday. So Saturday, I was just in this state of wow. Here's consciousness, here's consciousness, here's consciousness. Everything became so much fun. Parking the car became a, adventure. Okay. Consciousness needs to squeeze into this spot. Between these two cars. And consciousness better not touch that other consciousness in the form of a pavement or in the form of the other person or the car or anything. And all that. And it was just so much fun. Everything became fun. So the way, life is, and the way consciousness is, on Sunday, मेरे को बाउंसर फेंका कॉन्शियसनेस. बाउंसर ऐसा फेंका कि Harsha and I were, working together, making a salad, and some small little difference on what should be cut first and how to do it and whatever became such a big thing that instead of enjoying the process of this um, making the salad together and eating, it became a big mess. So in the middle of it, I could not remember this mantra of mine from Saturday. Unfortunately, I couldn't tell myself that that this is consciousness in this form now. तो ये बाउंसर फेंका मेरे पे कॉन्शियसनेस ने. So then later on, like today and yesterday night and all, I was thinking, Yana, see, it is all okay and easy when pleasant things are coming your way, consciousness is presenting pleasant experiences, or it is presenting neutral experiencing. Parking a car, what is so big deal about it? It's just a neutral experience. But in neutral and experiences that your body or your separate self naturally likes, it is easy to remind yourself that, oh, here is consciousness, wow, here is consciousness. So I said, what do you do in these challenging kind of situations when somebody is saying something mean or something irritated or something um, disrespectful or whatever, anything that is not something you really want, not something you really like? What to do then? How do you bring this awareness into the game? And okay, Nilima ji, boliye. You're on mute.
Same questions, and the answer is I'm finding last 2 to 3 days, because I'm getting your experiences and what to do. Sir is teaching awareness of everywhere. When this fighting or something comes, how we will keep our temper in that way, and you are giving answer in that today.
Okay, great. Yeah, that's it. Because see, it is all one consciousness is feeding all these thoughts.
Laughing,
Say that again.
That's why I'm laughing.
Oh, okay,
Sir,
okay.
you are
Ki-
getting the experience of this same experience on Sunday.
correct. So what is your take on this? What is your thought?
If first time तो I agree और थोड़ा सा झगड़ा हो गया. Then second time after 1 hour I thought, अरे why I'm fighting? No, it is a consciousness. His journey is different. Maybe
Yeah,
his
yeah.
thinking level is different. I kept quiet. Nah, I kept quiet generally. Then become a
Acha,
neutral
kept
after
quiet.
some time. Yeah.
Right.
After some time, I become a neutral position.
Correct. But it can be even
About all detail about all these things.
correct. Not disturbed. Yeah, good. Yeah.
Sir,
Huh.
First
I have
answer
been
is
asking.
One sec. Huh. Kya? What was the last part, Nilima ji?
First 1 hour, so I disturb, half an hour maybe.
Okay.
After that, I'll be neutral. We are
Right.
human
So
beings.
the challenge is for me, like, how in the middle of that whole argument that we were having in the kitchen, in the middle of it, how to burst out of that bubble and come into consciousness and bring that into the field and then live with that. How to do that. And I have some thoughts on that, which I will share now. But yeah, Sonal ji, boliye.
I will tell you how to do it because I do it every day now since 2 days.
Wonderful. Chalo.
सर
बोलो.
आपका वो गाना है ना वो ही है
हाँ.
तो मैंने जहां मुझे तकलीफ हुई डिस्टर्ब हुआ बिकॉज आई सिंस द डे आई हैव जॉइंड आई हैव बीन आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में कैसे करते हैं प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में कैसे करते हैं
Correct.
टू लिसन इन क्लास वाज वेरी गुड बट देन जब से वो भजन सुना वो ही है
हाँ.
एवरी टाइम आई गेट डिस्टर्ब्ड आई स्टार्ट विद द सॉन्ग वो ही
या,
है
वो ही है. जहां जहां देखो वहां वो ही है.
देन आई रियलाइज कि नहीं वी आर आई एम इन अवेयरनेस सो वो
Correct.
गाने से मैंने अपने आप को ठीक किया
Good. Very good.
You're
That
very
Gana
good.
can become the mantra in those. Yeah, you're right. Very nice.
you,
Very
son.
nice. Excellent.
गाना भी चेंज हो गया वो ही है कि बजाय तू ही है भगवान के लिए तू ही है
तू ही है. Right.
गाना
Right.
अपने आप मन में चेंज हो गया
Nice. Yeah, same idea. But yeah, same thing. Yeah, however it appears nice to you is good. Very good. So tu hi hai. So, right.
Sorry, just want to share something.
Yeah.
It is क्या होता है जब when fighting or something is going on in that way, it is 15-20 minutes, so you will forget about all these things. After
Correct.
some time,
Maybe.
you can do all this.
No. I think that's not necessarily true. Not necessarily. मतलब हो सकता है, but I am convinced that if we are practicing this moment to moment, oh, here is consciousness, here's awareness, here you are again, whatever form appeals to you, like wo hi hai. If so, for somebody, if the form of Krishna appeals, then oh, Krishna, here you are again. Krishna, here you are like a car, here you are riding a bicycle, here you are taking the shape of a policeman. Oh, hello Krishna, or hello Ma Bhavani or Lakshmi or whoever is your favorite akar which appeals to you, Vishnu, or here you are, or consciousness if you don't want to have religious form because it is ultimately formless, but or awareness, conscious, here you are. So but the thing to understand about consciousness is कि हम जैसा सोचते हैं उससे कई गुना infinite variety wala hai ye consciousness. It is made up of infinite colors, infinite shapes, infinite forms, and infinite experiences are there. And we only think or choose that consciousness is only supposed to present itself in certain likable or lovable, cuddly shapes and forms. We only want those. But consciousness is infinite. वो कांटा भी बन सकता है, वो चुभ भी सकता है, लेकिन the thing to see that वो चुभन, वो कांटा चाहे आपका मन चाहा न हो, फिर भी ये खेल है. So it's the play of consciousness, which is not limited to any particular set of things. Consciousness includes being naughty and throwing googly balls at you, not just straight simple मारो छक्के मारो, वैसा नहीं भेजता है. सिर्फ वो गुगली भी डालता है. तो जब ये गुगली डालता है, बाउंसर डालता है, हेलमेट पे लगने वाला बॉल डालता है, तभी भी हम अगर उसको देखकर हम कह सकते हैं कि ओए कृष्णा क्या कर रहा है? मेरे को ऐसा तू डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है. तू अच्छा तू ऐसे मेरे से खेलेगा आज? ओके, मैं भी देखता हूं तुझे. And again you see Krishna there and he's over there laughing and smiling. And if you see that laughing, smiling Krishna being naughty with you, then your reaction can be very different. So हम लोग अभी जो मनोरी बेल गए थे, I was just sharing this morning. तो मनोरी बेल में हम लोग बीच पे कुछ लोग बैठ के गाने गा रहे थे, गिटार बजा रहे थे, ये सब चल रहा था. And one of the participants from Lakshmi, Vijaya Lakshmi ji, she just ran to the ocean and went dipping her legs, feet in the water. She doesn't know how to swim. She lives in interior India. उसको दरिया दिखना मतलब उसके लिए जन्नत बराबर है. So she just was playing in the ocean in the waves, didn't know how to swim or anything, but getting wet. But she was playing with the waves, each wave as it came. So I dropped the guitar and singing. I said, I want to also just play in the water. So I went in there and we were both just looking at the wave. And every wave that came, she was, isko dekho, isko dekho, isko dekho. Ye dekh, ye dekh, ye dekh, ye dekh, ye jor se aa raha hai, ye jor se aa raha hai, ye dekh, 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 dekh. And the ones which were coming, even some were, and it was bharti aa rahi thi, so the waves were getting bigger and bigger. So we didn't want our clothes and all to get wet. But some of the waves, then it would be so big and it would gather so much momentum कि वो दूर से ही पता चलता है वो शैतान है. तो ये देखिए, look at that boom करके बिल्कुल हमको मतलब गीला कर दिया. So she was, even with each wave, she was having that relationship and what, isko dekh, isko dekh, oh this one is so bad, this one is so bad, oh look. So even though it was something so-called negative or something we didn't want to get wet, but that playfulness with even that other kind of energy, extra energy, that playfulness with it, that is mastery. That is mastery. If we can play with these so-called negative, difficult, challenging, irritating, angering energies that show up, then that would be something worth going for. Right, childlike with everything. So like a child, you see all of these so-called negative comments or insulting comments or irritating comments. ओए तू क्या मुझे अभी गुस्से करेगा क्या? देख लेता हूं तुझे भी कैसे मैं गुस्से होता हूं. नहीं होता हूं. चल बोल और क्या बोलना है. अच्छा, okay. Then your response can be just, acha, you want to cut this first instead of that, go ahead. If you want to eat this first, go ahead. Or you even say that, no, don't worry, it'll be fine. I'll cut this first. Don't worry, it'll be perfectly okay. But when you are not in that mode, then you go, what do you know about cutting vegetables? What do you know? Fruit mein thodi aisa 5 minute mein kuch nahi hota hai. Chalo, I'm cutting this. I feel like cutting this. I'm going to do this only. So that the whole reaction, the whole response, the mahal hai, jo what is present becomes awareness rather than you. That is the whole trick. Make awareness present rather than you. And even in the other person, make awareness present on that side, not just your side, on that side. See that awareness present, not that person. then this whole charge becomes, so what is the big deal? ऐसे काटो या वैसे काटो, कौन सा बड़ा क्या बोलते
क्या
हैं
उखाड़
उसमें?
लोगे?
हाँ, क्या
क्या उखाड़ लोगे?
क्या फर्क
उखाड़
पड़ता
लो?
है?
क्या
क्या
उखाड़
फर्क
लोगे?
पड़ेगा? क्या फर्क पड़ेगा?
एग्जैक्टली, क्या उखाड़ लोगे? मेरे आइडिया से नहीं किया और तुम्हारे आइडिया से किया, तो क्या उखाड़ लोगे? उखाड़ हो जाओ. So that's it. So that becomes the play. And yeah, the way using a song or using this mantra or using this awareness and using this playful quality of consciousness, remembering that consciousness का बहुत पहलू है, एक नहीं है, सारे पहलू उसी के हैं. Whether you call it sorrow or darkness or anger or negative or whatever, light and dark both are part of the same consciousness. So one more understanding that happened is okay, we'll do one small experiment. Just close your eyes.
सुनो बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक. सुनो 5 मिनट.
Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And breathe out fully and slowly. This time, when you take a deep breath, imagine consciousness, divine energy entering your body through the forehead. Imagine and take a deep breath and see divine energy through a hole in the forehead entering your every cell. And as you breathe out, allow this energy, this love, this okayness, this peace to flow out also through the forehead and become immersed in divine. Once again, deep breath in, energy flowing in through the forehead, filling every cell in your body, and emerging through the forehead and becoming immersed in the universe, in consciousness again. And this time, as you breathe in, imagine divine love, divine energy, divine consciousness entering through every pore in your body, through the entire body, entering through the body and filling the entire, every atom. And as you breathe out, allow the energy to flow out through the entire body, through all the skin, through all the parts of the body, through all the surface of the body. The energy is flowing out. And again, breathe in, and light is entering through everywhere, including the head, the face, the torso, the arms, the legs. Light entering from the back, from everywhere. And with the out breath, leaving the body and becoming immersed once again in the universe. Notice what is happening to your image of your body as you're breathing in and out. What is happening to your image of this body. Just notice. Again, take a deep breath in and allow divine consciousness, divine energy, divine healing, divine power, awareness itself entering from everywhere, finding no barrier, no restriction. And again, on the out breath, leaving just as easily and flowing back out to every cell, everywhere in the universe. And again, take a look at your image of your body now compared to when we started. Take a deep breath in and energy flowing through every single part of the body, every part of the surface, the bottom of the feet to the top of the head. Energy and light flowing in, filling every single pore, every single space. And then again, emerging out back into the universe as you breathe out. Wonderful. And slowly just come back. Open your eyes slowly. You can just rub your hands, touch your face, and come back. Great. So let me ask you, what happened? What happened with your sense of your body as we went through this process? हाँ, पुरुषोत्तम जी.
शुरू में तो बॉडी के शेप से इमेजिन कर पा रहा था,
हाँ.
लेकिन जैसे जैसे करते जा रहा है वैसे बॉडी का शेप गायब हो गया. ऐसा लगा कि भी बॉडी का शेप है ही नहीं. आप बोल रहे थे पोर से इमेजिन करो, तो ऐसा लग रहा था एक जगह से आ रही है और वो उसी जगह में, उसी स्पेस में वो प्रोसेस चल रही है. बाउंड्रीज गायब हो गई.
Boundaries गायब हो गई. Very nice. How many of you had that sort of feeling of the body kind of melting away, disappearing? Yeah. हाँ, प्रतिभा जी बोलो. Unmute. Normally mute पे ही रहना, फिर unmute करके बोलना. हाँ.
हाँ नहीं, बस मगज माइंड में कूलनेस लगा और बॉडी में मींस ठंडी नहीं वाइब्रेशन लगी.
ठंडी का vibration. Okay,
એટલે
wonderful.
coolness
in the body. The body felt, mind and body felt cool.
cool.
Okay. What else? Other experiences? Anyone else wants to share? So, okay, the point is that the realization I had is that the unpleasantness of the experience happens when experience meets resistance. Unpleasantness is only created when experience meets resistance. Unpleasantness is not an inherent quality of any experience. Experiences are simply experiences. They are words, they are sounds, they are thoughts, they are ideas, they are colors, they are, what is it? That's all that is going on in the world. When experience meets resistance, unpleasantness is created at that point. Unpleasantness doesn't come built into the experience. There is no built-in quality of experience which says this is pleasant or unpleasant. When experience meets welcome, when experience meets okayness, when experience meets love, then that experience is pleasant. When that same or another experience meets resistance, that experience is what we call unpleasant. I don't like it. I don't want it. That resistance is what creates it. If this resistance was not there, what would happen to this experience? It would simply go its natural path, and every experience has a beginning, a middle, and an end. It would simply happen and go in that its natural course of the universe. When it meets resistance is when the unpleasantness happens. And what is the form in which we create resistance? Who creates resistance? In what form? When I resist something, it is my solidity of my separate self, this body. I am somebody, I am this, I am that, I am this person, I have this body, and I have these ideas, and I all those things which are solid have to stand in the way of experience before experience can become unpleasant. So when we know, and where does, maybe whether ego resides in the heart or wherever, the one of the most solid parts of our body where we experience solidity of ourself is the head. The forehead, especially the forehead, is where, where you think you really are there. Koi hai kya, koi hai. This, but when going through this exercise, I experienced this in one meditation we were doing this morning, where they had this, flow of energy through the forehead. And I said, oh my God, my forehead can be wide open and porous, and light and energy can flow through it. This solidity that I associate with my forehead is my own imagination. Varna, just with these few breaths, like Purushottamji said, the body practically just vanishes. And imagine if you are not there, can any thing bother you or agitate you or disturb you? You're not even there. Your body is not there. You, this Sanjeev, you, Purushottam, have vanished. Now what? Only celebration. No matter what comes, it's simply you are a transparent being through which experience is allowed to just flow through and return with love. Return with thanks hota hai na? Aisa return with love and thanks. So all experiences can simply transparently pass through us and be returned with thanks and love when we are not there. So one more additional thought that I am offering all of us. One is seeing on the other side awareness, and in all experience awareness, and either through the song or through the mantra or through the game. Oh, there you are, consciousness. Tu kya mujhe googly fek raha hai aaj? That. And second one is see yourself as this transparent being through which all experiences can simply pass through. You don't offer resistance. When you don't offer resistance, there is no unpleasantness possible. What somebody can say whatever they want. What is your problem? It's only our resistance to what they said. ये क्यों ऐसा बोला? ऐसा भी नहीं आता है, इतना भी नहीं आता है, कैसा बंदा है, कैसी बंदी है, क्यों ऐसा करता है? That resistance, boom, 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 boom. That's where the unpleasantness gets created. Otherwise, anyone can say whatever they want. Yeah, what is your problem? Anyone can do whatever they want. What is your problem? What is my problem? Yeah, Jennifer ji, you had something. Question or comment?
I just wanted you to repeat the second point.
Okay, did
As
I
you
or did
did.
I? I did.
You did,
Okay.
you did.
Okay, okay, good.
Thank you.
Yeah. So how do we do that? Is by becoming this light body. And Jennifer ji was telling me the other day, there are multiple types of enlightenment. There is the enlightenment of the body also, where the body is enlightened, not just your mind and your soul and heart, but your body is enlightened. And the enlightened body, we know all the siddhas. their body is so light, and that enlightened body means they can be in multiple places at the same time. They can walk through there is no physical barriers for them, because the body has lost all its solidity. It has lost its this, and is disintegrated and just become transparent. You're floating, flying. So for that is how flying becomes possible for the siddhas. Flying becomes possible, going through walls become possible, going in 5 places at the same time becomes possible, because this body has become enlightened. So let us at least take the first step. Let us at least take the first step towards also an enlightened body, not just an enlightened mind, but an enlightened body. And an enlightened body will emerge when we, first step is to drop this solidity that we associated with it. See that it is completely translucent, completely transparent, completely, this solidness is just an imaginary solidness. Just like the dream, in a dream, no matter how solid we find a rock, we know that वो rock में कुछ solidity नहीं है. We may take a hammer and hit and it feels, अरे बाप रे, ये तो लोखंड से भी कड़क है. बट वो लोहा भी कड़क नहीं है, वो पत्थर भी कड़क नहीं है, कुछ कड़क नहीं है. जैसे ही आंख खुल गई, वो सब पता चल गया कि सिर्फ माइंड का ही खेल था, कुछ सॉलिड था ही नहीं. Similarly, we can wake up from this dream and say to ourselves that this imaginary solidity which I feel is imaginary, it's not real. And through this, that meditation that we just did, we can experience lighter and lighter. And if we are not there, like Sonal ji is very sharp at this, she will catch me. Are you there or are you not there? Because our first step question tha, are you there? And we say, yes, I am there.
Sir, I am here.
There. I'm here.
I am here.
You are here. You are there. But now I am saying, as far as the body is concerned, we don't have to be there, because I am there. The I is not solid. The I that is there is itself has no solidity, no shape, no color. And in fact, the qualities of I want to share about that, but I'll take that up tomorrow. Just remind me. I want to share about the qualities of I, which we have found a new way of expressing the qualities of I rather than the one we have. So we'll talk about that tomorrow. But regardless of that, are you there refers to the I that is there. And when I say live as if you are not there, I'm referring to the body, okay? Live as if you are not there. The body is not there. This solidity, this kadak, ये माथा लेके घूमते हैं, वो disintegrate हो जाने दो. Just let it melt. Let it just become like light, dust particles of light, just shining, shimmering, and offering no resistance to anything. For the body not there, I fully there. That is the balance. Wonderful. Great. We'll close with that.
Sir, I have a question.
So, why not? We'll answer it tomorrow, but let me hear it.
Sir, Anubhav is experience.
Correct.
And Anubhuti is?
Perception. Anubhuti is perception.
Not feeling or bhavna?
No.
No,
perception.
you get it.
Perception.
Anumati,
Perception.
I get it.
अनुमति ने अनुभूति कैसे? अनुभूति is मुझे अनुभूति होती है. So it's a sensation or a perception. एहसास होना
उसको अनुभूति बोलते हैं ना.
हाँ. So perception or sensation is अनुभूति.
So means today's talk में अनुभूति था.
नहीं, अनुभव.
अनुभव.
जो भी अनुभव होते हैं, pleasant experiences, unpleasant experiences, somebody shouts at you, somebody insults you, all those are so-called unpleasant experiences. So
but
how
sir,
to be...
We have learned from your lineage, जो है वो है.
जो है वो है, of course.
तो उसको pleasant, unpleasant तो हम लोग ही करते हैं ना.
Correct. तो क्या prefer क्या करते हैं हम?
So then when we make it that नहीं वो अच्छा नहीं था, आर्ग्यूमेंट
नहीं,
हुआ,
वही
आर्ग्यूमेंट हुआ वगैरह
नहीं
सब हुआ तो वो
नहीं
अनुभव हुआ
नहीं
ना.
वो there is no, that is the whole thing. When we judge कि ये अच्छा नहीं है, that is when we suffer, when we don't like it.
Hmm.
We want to be continuously in the quality of the oneness, which has no preferences and no resistance to anything and loves everything that comes along. And we want to make our lives and ourselves more and more like that. So to become more and more like that, we don't judge the experience, but we look at experience and see the oneness and the consciousness that it is emerging from. Oh, here you are again. Hello. Rather than, hey, kyun aisa bola? You understand? And when we are not there in this, when we are not there to offer the resistance, then it doesn't hit anything. And when it doesn't hit anything, there is no noise. And then it's just love, beauty, truth. All those qualities become more and more part of our lives.
Hello, Sanjeev.
Ah,
I want to share one message, good message.
okay.
Happiness is not the absence of problem. It is the ability to deal with them.
Correct. Yeah,
I will
problems will
correct-
always be there. Yeah,
No. Happiness is not the absence of problem.
correct.
It is the ability to deal with them.
Right, exactly.
એટલે
Because
happiness
problems
means
will
કે
always be
problem
there.
નથી એવું નથી એમ.
No, that is never the case. Life, if problems stop, life stops. Simple as that.
No, I like it, so I share it.
Thank you. Wonderful. See you all tomorrow. Jai Gurudev. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Tat Sat. Thank you.
અચ્છા કાલે છે ને 26મી જાન્યુઆરી છે
Oh,
તો
yeah.
પણ
Yeah, we'll have it. Why not?
Okay.
Yeah.
ના એટલે મેં ખાસ પૂછ્યું.
No, good point.
Okay,
We will
bye.
have it. Yeah.
Bye everyone.
Okay,
Thank
bye.
you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
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 Bye. Bye.
Thank you, everyone.